special election-bound states and their telecast, their developments highlights here on the show. This time, it is State of War Punjab. Because Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's now the Punjab Congress Committee chief, has responded to Aam Aadmi Party's national convener, Arvind Kejriwal, who's also been campaigning for his party in Punjab. Sidhu has taken on Kejriwal and has asked him, where are the 8 lakh jobs? Where are the 20 new colleges that were promised by the Aam Aadmi Party government? He has said that on the contrary, unemployment rate of Delhi has increased by almost 5 times in last 5 years. Moreover, Sidhu has said that Kejriwal government has filled vacancy in Delhi colleges by just providing it to guest lecturers. Now, this attack, remember, gains further significance because it comes after Kejriwal took part in a protest organized by the teachers in Mohali. But why this attack by Navjot Singh Sidhu does not really what was expected by Kejriwal? Because Kejriwal, remember, had praised Navjot Singh Sidhu, saying Sidhu is working for people's issue, but his party is not letting him be. Perhaps he was expecting support from Navjot Singh Sidhu. That clearly did not happen. Listen in to what Kejriwal had said just a few days ago about Sidhu.
चन्नी साहब ने बोला कि मैंने रेत माफिया खत्म कर दिया। चन्नी साहब ने कहा कि मैंने रेत 5 रुपए फुट कर दिया। तुरंत सिद्धू साहब ने कहा कि गलत है, झूठ बोल रहे हैं। मैं उनकी हिम्मत की दाद देता हूं। उन्होंने खुद ही कहा कि चन्नी साहब जितने वादे कर रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं, जितने ऐलान कर रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं। सिद्धू साहब जनता के मुद्दे उठा रहे हैं, लेकिन सारी कांग्रेस उनको दबाने में, पहले कैप्टन साहब उनको दबाते थे, अब चन्नी साहब उनको दबाने में लगे हुए, सारी कांग्रेस उनको दबाने में लगी हुई है।
And Manjeet Sehgal now joining me for all the updates. Manjeet, so we can put to rest that Arvind Kejriwal likely was trying to cause further rift in Congresses between Sidhu and Channi. That did not happen. Sidhu in turn has now taken on Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, indeed, Pooja. In fact, Navjot Singh Sidhu has questioned one particular promise made by Arvind Kejriwal here in Chandigarh on Saturday. Arvind Kejriwal had promised all the teachers that whenever, if his party is voted to power, he will be listening to their grievances and he will be providing them the jobs. Reacting to this, Navjot Singh Sidhu has questioned Arvind Kejriwal how many women he has provided so far with a grant of 1,000 rupees per month. How many regular jobs he has provided in New Delhi, where are over 20,000 vacancies in various schools. Navjot Singh Sidhu is also asking Arvind Kejriwal why he was making false promises that can be fulfilled. He has also slammed Arvind Kejriwal for raising the teachers issue here in Punjab, but asked him why there is not even a single lady minister in his cabinet. So, Navjot Singh Sidhu has questioned the veracity of the claims being made by Arvind Kejriwal. On the other, he has also raised doubts on the promises being made by Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party leaders, that they will be providing a monthly pension of 1,000
So
rupees to each
Sidhu,
woman.
what you're telling us is basically, while he's of course fighting constantly with Charanjit Singh Channi, will not let it affect and will not have Aam Aadmi Party reap benefits of that. Manjeet, keep tracking all the latest on that.